There are so much stuff to try in Japan, so it's very important to maximize our time when visiting. Every minute counts talaga. So every time I travel from one prefecture to another, the best option for me is to take the Shinkansen or the bullet train. Sure, there are cheaper options, but I like to think of it as me buying more time to spend actually seeing places in Japan. Imagine yung Osaka to Tokyo ay more than 10 hours by bus, pero 2 hours and 20 minutes lang by Shinkansen. Yung Nagoya to Kyoto, 4.5 hours by bus, pero 34 minutes lang by bullet train. I love train rides in Japan kasi sobrang convenient at comfy ng ride. Needless to say, since nasa Japan tayo, on time lagi ang trains. Kung mapaga kayo, may mga waiting rooms naman. You can easily identify if you're at the right platform kasi mababasa nyo yan sa LED screen. You can also easily identify your car number and seat number kasi well-labeled naman lahat. When you get into the train, sa seat nyo, you have your foldable table, a place for your stuff, a reclining seat, a hook for your coat or jacket, power outlet for your gadgets, and Wi-Fi on board. Sa may bintana, meron kang window blinds para hindi ka masilaw sa araw. Tapos pwede ring maglagay ng mga gamit dyan. Sobrang tahimik sa Shinkansen, so keep that in mind. And pwede naman kumain basta iuwi nyo yung mga trash nyo. Usually sa mga train stations, may mga bentahan ng mga bento boxes, onigiri, and mga sandwiches. So huwag nyo kalimutan bumili before boarding. Within the train, meron ring restroom, hand washing area, and luggage racks, pero kailangan nyo yan i-reserve in advance. I booked my train via Klook, syempre para English app na at hindi na tayo mahirapan mag-translate. Sa Klook, punta lang tayo sa transport, and then Japan trains. By the way, if you're booking yours here as well, don't forget to use my promo code TRAVELERKLOOK for discounts. Pwede nyo rin gamitin yung code sa iba pang travel activities nyo sa Japan. For this trip, we traveled from Nagoya to Tokyo via a Nozomi train. Maraming types of Shinkansen train ha. Nozomi is usually the shortest ride since hindi lahat ng stops ay titigilan niya. Dito sa Klook, i-click nyo lang to para makita kung ilan yung stops ng train at ano yung duration ng ride. And then we also have Hikari and Kodama. Yung Kodama yung pinakamahabang travel time kasi lahat ng stops titigilan niya. Ito yung sample ng travel time sa bawat train type. So when you book a train, make sure to check not only the departure time of the train, but also the duration of the ride. I loved how I saved time dahil sa QR code boarding. Bago lang yan actually, noong 2023 at 2024 na nag-Shinkansen tayo, kinailangan pa natin pumila para makaredeem ng physical tickets. Medyo hassle siya kasi minsan kung first trip ng Shinkansen yung kukuhanin mo, the night before, dapat kuhanin mo ng physical tickets. So 2 beses ka pang pupunta sa station. Buti na lang ngayon, sobrang dali na. Time saving talaga kasi nasa mismo app na ng Klook yung QR code. Scan na lang upon entry and exit. Hindi pa nga lang lahat ng routes ay may QR code boarding. Pag walang ganito sa Klook, it means kailangan yung i-redeem yung physical tickets. 2 types of cars ang pwedeng pagpilian. Green car, yan yung first class seats nila, or ordinary car. Ito naman yung parang economy class. Mas malawak ang seats sa green car kasi 4 seats per row lang siya versus 5 sa ordinary car. Mas malawak rin ang legroom sa green car. Makikita nyo dito yung details about the seats. So, ordinary car naman, 2 yan. May reserved seats at non-reserved seats. Pareho lang sila ng itsura sa loob, pero yung mga non-reserved seats, ibig sabihin wala silang designated na upuan. So, meron lang mga designated cars kung saan silang pwedeng umupo. First come, first serve yung mga upuan doon, so paunahan na lang. I suggest kung long haul ride kayo, kuha na kayo ng reserved seats since konti lang naman yung price difference nila. Here's the train cost depending on the seats. Isa pa sa mga dahilan kung bakit sa Klook ako nagbo-book, in Philippine peso ko na siya babayaran, so no worries na sa conversion fees. Isa pa sa feature sa Klook na favorite ko ay pwede kang mag-select ng seat preference mo kung gusto mo ng aisle seat or window seat. Pero hindi lang yan. Meron din silang tinatawag na Mount Fuji seat. Ibig sabihin, pipilian ka ni Klook ng seat sa side na madadaanan mo si Mount Fuji. Inabangan ko talagang madaanan si Mount Fuji. Chine-check ko sa Google Maps kung malapit na kaming dumaan. And I was very lucky to have witnessed its beauty during our train ride from Nagoya to Tokyo. Minsan kasi foggy at hindi masyadong makita yung mountain. Kung nagbabalak kayong pumunta sa Mount Fuji, panoorin niyo rin tong video na to. Pwede rin mag-select ng oversized luggage seat para yan sa mga may dalang malalaking luggages. Madalas, mga dulong likod na seats yan. Medyo strict kasi ang Shinkansen sa mga malalaking luggages, so make sure to check this part on Klook para sa guide. If last minute booking kayo, take note na up to 1 hour before departure, pwede pang mag-book sa Klook. Instant confirmation naman yan, so makuha nyo agad yung QR code nyo or booking reference number. And in case mag-book kayo and then you later on decide to cancel, you can do that up to 2 hours before the train's scheduled departure. Take note lang rin na may additional fulfillment fee si Klook when booking. Price varies depending on the route. So there you go. If you need more travel tips, check the link in my bio for more videos. Enjoy Japan!